cry, but you never do.
Yeah. So that was an amazing tour over the Disney theme parks and all the theme parks here in Orlando. If you want to do the same thing, check out Air Force Fun. I'll put the links down below. They really hooked us up for this helicopter ride, so thank you to them. So we're going to the meetup right now, and we got to the Ferris wheel in the center of Florida, or Orlando, Florida. It's a little bigger than we expected. We did not expect this many people, guys. Yeah, sure. Like Josh is singing his hair, it's just like literally him running a jog. Say hi, YouTube. Hi. This is Emma. And you want to get a picture real quick? Good? Alright, awesome. Have one soon. There you go.
Nice new drone that you just got. That's really cool.
Yeah, that's a good story to that. Did you hear about the drone lately?
Yeah, I heard.
From yesterday?
From yesterday. No,
yeah. We just finished up the meetup here in Orlando. Thank you to everyone who came out. There was like 75 people over the course of like 2 hours. We've been in this parking garage now for about half an hour trying to figure out what to do. I think we're going to some kind of compound where we're racing these cars now, and it's gonna be an interesting afternoon. How much ammo? Oh, we have no ammo. So we just got to the absolute middle of nowhere. We are out in the middle of these fields. We get here and there's people drifting around this track, like doing donuts and stuff. You can probably hear them out there. I'm gonna try and get some of this footage.
I have a fire. Don't do it. Don't even worry about it.
It's mad.
It's real pissed off.
I did offer.
Professional though, right? In the drift car now, and we're gonna take off.
Cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
You enjoyed it? Yeah, dude. This is gonna be sick.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel
You guys ready?
we lose.
Guys, in any ways I possibly can.
Yeah, dude, thank you.
But how the hell did you follow us?
Going with crew right now. We racing?
Yeah, we're racing.
All right.
Concrete people versus Explorer crew.
Let's do this! Sunset's
Damn.
coming down. We gotta do this
better
quick.
go.
Fast and the Furious style.
1, 2, 3.